This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi Q7 air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a flat surface with the engine off and cool. Next, gather your essential tools: a new air filter, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx 25-bit. Finally, open your hood and identify the engine cover, which usually has a few clips holding it in place. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, gently unclip the engine cover using your flathead screwdriver if needed, then carefully lift it away. You'll then see the air filter housing, which is typically a prominent plastic box. Use your Torx 25 screwdriver to remove the securing screw. After that, release any additional clips or latches that hold the air filter housing together. This will give you access to the old filter. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to inspect the air filter box for any leaves, dust, or other debris and clean it out thoroughly. Now, take your new air filter and insert it into the housing. Make sure the filter is seated properly and that its rubber gasket forms a tight seal around the edges. This ensures optimal filtration. To finish, close the air filter housing, retightening the Torx 25 screw and securing all clips. Then, carefully place the engine cover back into position, pressing down firmly until all clips engage. Double-check that everything is secure before closing the hood. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your Audi Q7's air filter fresh is a simple way to maintain engine health and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.